I'm pushing myself quite a bit. I don't normally cook Asian-type food. MasterChef quarterfinal probably isn't the day to test something new, but you know, I'm up for a challenge and let's see how it goes.
Shauna is showing off the aubergine. She's using the aubergine as a plate, as a bowl, and also inside the recipe. Aubergine inside a Thai coconut curry is fantastic. Let's just hope that Shauna gets the flavours of Southeast Asia with all that coconut milk.
Fumbi, you chose the honey?
Yes, I did. I'm making a honey cheesecake with a raspberry jelly, honeycomb, a raspberry compote, and a lemon and honey sorbet.
Cheesecake in a quarter-final. Is that brave? Is that foolhardy?
I wanted to be honest to myself. I love cheesecake, so I'm not going to serve you guys something that I wouldn't eat myself.
I love a cheesecake.
This is something which I've made up, and I've practiced it a few times, and I think it will taste good.
I think his dessert sounds really intriguing because I've never had a set cheesecake with sorbet. Sorbet is very, very icy. Icy and cream together with cheesecake, I think that's a little bit dangerous.
Guys, you have 10 minutes, please. Just 10 minutes.
This is not working.
What are you going to do, Fumbi?
I'm not sure. I'm going to try and clean it up.
You have to find a way of trying to present at least some of it.
"60 seconds. That's all you have. It's your last 60 seconds. Stop. Time's up.
London-based Shauna has made curried roasted aubergine with smoked cardamom and coconut milk, served with basmati rice, aubergine flatbreads, and Greek yoghurt.
I don't like it in that. It looks like it's in a slipper.
It's an aubergine!
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I used to sell them by the pallet load.
I think that's delicious. It's powerful, it's in your face. There's some real burn back there. They might whinge, I don't know. But I think that's a serious piece of aubergine cookery, and you haven't tried to reach for something else to dress it up.
Thank you.
I can't say I don't like it, but I'm not excited by it. I found I'm eating some curry and some rice, and that's it.
I'm with Jay on this one. I think it's delicious. Absolutely delicious. The flavours in there are wonderful. The textures as well. And I love the way the sweetness then builds into saltiness and finishes in spice. I think it's divine.
Aerospace engineer Fumbi attempted a honey cheesecake served with raspberry compote and jelly, honeycomb, and a honey and lemon sorbet.
It all sort of went a bit wrong in the last 10 minutes, didn't it, Fumbi?
Yeah, I got my gelatin measurement wrong. I looked at my notes and I just got it wrong.
Because you made some great desserts so far in this competition.
I'm happy to close my eyes, not look at what it looks like, and tell you that it's delicious. I know I could clean a plate of this very, very easily. The flavour of honey is really, really there. It's not subtle, it's not delicate, but it's delicious.
One thing is evident, and that is the majesty of honey. It's running through every single part of this dish. I'm so upset it didn't turn out.
I don't know who's more upset here, me or you. We have got probably the most divine flavoured puddle I've ever experienced.